Ijaji likhipha isinqumo lithe ngokomthetho uZuma akavumelekile ukuthi abe yilungu lePhalamende kuze kuphele iminyaka emihlanu ngenxa yokuthi wagwetshwa izinyanga ejele ngo-2021 ngecala lokwedelela inkantolo.
It is declared that Mr. Zuma was convicted of an offence and sentenced to more than 12-month imprisonment for purposes of Section 47(1)(e) of the Constitution and is accordingly not eligible to be a member of and not qualified to stand for election to the National Assembly until 5 years have elapsed.
Nakuba inkantolo imchithile uZuma, abalandeli bakhe bathi okushiwo inkantolo angeke kuguqule lutho.
We are disappointed about the judgment, but I'd like to emphasize this. President Zuma will be on the ballot paper when we're going to vote.
Inhlangano Ahmed Kathrada isemukele isinqumo senkantolo.
We welcome the judgment. We think it is well reasoned, and it reaffirms that a contempt of court sentence is an extremely important sentence.
Ukusuka manje iqembu iMK kuzomela limsuse uZuma ohlwini lwabantu abazomela leli qembu ePhalamende emva kokhetho. NgoNdasa iIEC yamkhipha uZuma ekumeleni iMK Party okhethweni, kepha inkantolo yezokhetho yasiguqula leso sinqumo yathi isigatshana somthethosisekelo Section 47 sasisebenza kuphela ebantwini abanethuba lokudlulisa izigwebo zabo okwangafaki phakathi uZuma. Ngonyaka u-2021 inkantolo yomthethosisekelo yagweba uZuma izinyanga eziyi-15 ebhadle ejele ngecala lokwedelela umyalelo wenkantolo wokuba avele phambi kwesigcawu esabe siphenya ngokuqhwaga kwamandla ombuso. Wahlala izinyanga ezimbili ejele wadedelwa ngoshwele, kepha-ke ushwele wakhe waphoselwa inselele enkantolo yezokwedluliswa kwamacala. Inkantolo yakhipha isinqumo sokuthi aboshwe. Wazinikela ejele laseMtshezi wagcina-ke esededelwa ngoshwele okhethekile kaMengameli ngoNcwaba nyakenye.